Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at templates inside Cricut Design Space. Here we can see on the left hand side of our canvas there is an option for templates. If we click on there, it's going to bring us up multiple different types of templates, and at the bottom it is going to show us legacy templates as well. These are perfect if you are designing products and you want to have a bit of a visual idea of how they're going to look before you make them. So if, for example, you're making tote bags, we can choose medium or large tote bags. So we'll select medium. That's obviously too big for our canvas, so we're just going to shrink that down so we can see a little bit better. Now we're presented with the template of a tote bag, and it's got an 11 by 11 inch space at the bottom for us to place our design. If we want to visualize how our design is going to look, we can simply go to uploads, and here we can select a picture or upload a picture. So if we just use this boho rainbow, I'm going to add that to canvas, and then now we can position that inside our tote bag, and we can see if that was the design we was going to make, how that's going to look, and where on the front of the bag we wanted to place it. If it's just the design, we could place it quite central. If we was adding text as well, we could either place it at the top or at the bottom. It's the perfect way to see how a design is going to look on your chosen product without having to make it, and it just gives you the perfect way to visualize it. There are lots of different templates for you to choose from. You can go through t-shirts, hats, wine bags, and if we take a look at the legacy templates, we can see there is a whole host of different templates here that we can choose from. If we was designing products such as clocks or glasses, it's the perfect way to see your design on that product without having to make it, and giving you the opportunity to make any changes to make it the perfect product ready to sell. Once you've found a design that you're happy with on your chosen product and you want to make it, all you need to do is simply go to where the guide is in the layers panel and either delete that, or you can just simply click on the eye and just hide that, and then you can proceed to print out your chosen design ready to make it. I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I will look forward to seeing you again in my next video.